you for tuning into this episode of Oshana Films. If you are new, what it do? If you are not new, shout out to you. Today, I'm going to be showing you all how I make my moisturizing lip oils that I sell on my website. I do have a cosmetics business. It is called Gloss by Neek. If you have not already followed me on Instagram, please go ahead and do so at glossbyneek_. I will go ahead and leave that in the description below. But yes, again, I'm going to be showing you all how I am doing my fall trio lip oils. These are so pretty. They have fall scents and flavors, and I just can't wait to show you all. This is something different that I'm going to be showing on my channel because I do want to start being a little bit more consistent in my business. So here we are. As you can see right now, I am adding the oils that I'm using. All of the ingredients that I use in each lip oil or lip gloss or anything that I make, these are handmade, but I go ahead and put these in the description of every single product. So here I am using coconut oil, castor oil, and I will be using the flavoring oils to flavor each one. I will also be using pigments to make them, the color that I need them to be. So here I am starting to make the shades that I want. So of course, because it's fall, we have to have fall colors. So I want a red, an orange, and a yellow. I like the idea of giving some of my lip glosses and lip oils a little bit of pop, so this is why I go ahead and add some glitter. So for the red, I add some red glitter. For the orange, I'm going to add orange glitter, and for the yellow, I add gold glitter. Once I get each of these oils to my liking, I go ahead and place my tubes. For the lip oils, I'm going to be using the wand tubes. For my lip gloss, I always use these squeeze tubes. That's just what I prefer. But in the future, I do plan on expanding the types of tubes that I have. But for right now, we're going to be using these wand tubes for the lip oil. So this is going to be the end of this video. I really hope you all like this video. It is a little bit different from things that I have on my channel. If you like this video, please go ahead and like this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. Follow me on Instagram at glossbynique_, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!